Understanding comparative forms in English. Hello learners, welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dig deep into comparative forms. Specifically, we will learn how to use these forms when comparing two things. Remember, mastering this will make your English conversations much more lively and descriptive. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's clarify what comparative forms are. Simply put, we use the comparative form of an adjective or adverb to compare two things. It's often followed by the word than. The basic structure is subject plus verb plus comparative adjective, adverb plus than plus object. For example, she is taller than me, or he runs faster than Jim. Now, let's explore how to form these comparative forms. The rule is fairly straightforward. For short adjectives or adverbs, one syllable, add er. For example, tall becomes taller, fast becomes faster. For long adjectives or adverbs, two syllables or more, use more before the adjective or adverb. For example, beautiful becomes more beautiful, carefully becomes more carefully. But remember, as with many things in English, there are exceptions. Some words change completely in their comparative forms, like good becomes better, and bad becomes worse. Now that we understand the basics, let's put them into action. Here are some sentence examples. 1. John is taller than Lisa. 2. My car runs more smoothly than yours. 3. This book is better than the one I read last week. See how comparative forms make these sentences more informative and dynamic. It's a great way to add detail to your descriptions. In this section, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't use double comparatives. For example, avoid saying more taller. It's either more beautiful or taller. 2. Always use than after your comparative. For example, say, she is taller than me, not, she is taller me. 3. Be mindful of irregular comparatives. Remember, good becomes better, not, good becomes gooder. That wraps up our lesson on comparative forms. Now you know how to compare two things in English accurately and effectively. It might take some practice, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it soon. Keep practicing, and your English conversation skills will continue to flourish. See you in the next lesson.